Hello children. In the last video I explained you lesson 12 of your English 1, that is a tale not a tale. Okay, and I told you how there was a boy whose name was Jimmy, and he was he did not want to write much. He just want others to read stories to him, and he didn't want to learn the spellings. Okay, so he was very weak in the spellings, and how he made mistake when his mother told to write a letter to the brownie, the magical character who fulfills the wishes of others. And Jimmy wrote the letter, but he wrote a wrong spelling of tail. If you see here, dear brownie, will you please give me a long tail? Now you can see here TAIL, tail. Okay, thank you, love from Jimmy. So he wanted TALE, tail. Okay, as you can see the story's name, TALE, tail, and this tail means story, and TAIL, tail, this tail is a means you can say the end part of the animal, poonch we say in Hindi. Okay, so these kind of words, children, are known as homophones. Okay, the pronunciation is same, but the meaning and spelling are different. They are known as homophones. So this boy Jimmy, he wrote the spelling of tail. He actually wanted to write TALE, tail, story, but what he wrote, because he was not knowing the spelling, so he wrote TAIL, tail, and because of that brownie gave him a long tail. When he got up in the morning, what did he see? He saw a long tail. So he got very upset and he got very scared that what he will do with this long tail. Everyone will laugh at him. And then his mother understood that he must have written wrong spelling of tail, and she told him to write the letter again to brownie, and he again wrote the letter that means with the correct spelling this time, that I want long TALE, tail, and not tail. So again brownie means he said that this boy is very confused. He doesn't know what does he want actually. So what did he do? He did not give him a long story tail, but he took off his TAIL, tail. Okay, so this was the story. So today we will see the question answers, children. So open page number 43. Can you answer these questions? What is a tale? TALE, tail. A tale is a story. What did Jimmy not like to do? Jimmy did not like to read or to spell. Okay, it means he was not very fond of reading or learning the spellings and all. What did Jimmy like, and what did he actually like? Jimmy liked somebody to read to him. He liked listening to the stories that his mother told him. So he was not the type of boy who will take a book and start reading the stories. No, he wanted others. He wanted somebody else to read to him, and he only used to enjoy listening to the stories. Okay, now turn your page. Why did Jimmy write to the brownie? What word did he spell wrongly? Jimmy wrote to the brownie because he wanted the brownie to give him a very long tail. See, the spelling is here, TALE, tail. A tail that would go on and on. Means he wanted the brownie to give him a long story, so that would never end, and he can enjoy the story means day by day, night after night, every day. He spelled the word tail, TALE, tail, wrongly. He wanted to write this one, but because he did not know the spelling, so he wrote TAIL, tail. What happened to Jimmy? When Jimmy woke up next morning, he found something very long and furry around his legs. he found that it was a fine long tail. Now, after writing the letter to the brownie, what happened to Jimmy? When he woke up the next morning, he found long furry means something which has hair, okay, hairy. So he found a long furry tail, and he was very he got very scared after seeing that. Obviously, if anybody will have tail, human beings, they will not like it, they will get scared only. What did Jimmy ask the brownie to do? Jimmy wrote to the brownie again. This time he wanted the brownie to take away his tail, T-A-I-L, tail, and give him a long tail, T-A-L-E, tail instead. So after finding this, what did he do? Again he wrote a letter to the brownie, and this time he wrote the correct spelling. Means he said that you take away my T-A-I-L, tail, and instead of that please give me a long T-A-L-E, tail. That is story. Why do you think Jimmy is the best at spelling in his class now? Because he has understood that spelling a word wrong may lead to something one would not like at all. So after this incident, Jimmy understood that learning spelling is very important. Most of you also do, children, that you learn the answers and you don't learn the spellings. You think that, oh, what is there to learn the spelling? I have learned the whole answer. That is enough. No, children, that is not enough at all. You have to learn all the spellings. Otherwise, see how Jimmy has faced this problem now. Because of not learning the spellings, what was the consequence? So this actually gives you the lesson that learning spelling is very, very important. And same way, Jimmy also understood that spelling a word wrongly may lead to some something that the other person would not like at all. So next, children, pick out one proper noun from the story and write it here. So proper noun, you know na, the name of a particular the name given to any particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. So in this story we see one proper noun, that is Jimmy. Okay, and don't forget to write Jimmy with capital letter. Pick out 3 common nouns from the story and write them here. So common nouns means the name given in general, okay, to any person, place or thing of the same kind. That is common noun. So you can see many common noun here, but it has asked 3 of them. So one can be tail, T-A-L-E or T-A-I-L. Both tail can be common noun. You can write any of them you can write. Story is also a common noun. Monkey is also a common noun. Okay. Pick out 3 verbs from the story and write them here. So verbs, now you know, doing words are called verbs. So is also a verb. You know that. Look is a verb. It is an action. Went is also a verb. It is a past tense of go. It is also showing action. This is also verb. You can find many other verbs. If we see here, is a verb, look is a verb, will, know is a verb, again is, went, then did, like is a verb. Okay, did, like, here also, liked, he liked. So these are all verbs, children. Okay, you can write any verbs from the story. Then pick out 2 adjectives from the story and write them here. So what is adjective? The word which describes the noun are called adjectives. Okay, describing words are called adjectives. So one can be long. It is like long tail. So this long is describing the noun tail. Okay, so this long is the adjective. Then furry tail. Furry is also describing the noun tail. So furry is also adjective. Okay, so you can, if you find any other adjective in the story, then you can write that also. Okay, So I want you all to complete the lesson and write in a good handwriting with correct spelling, because this story is based on spelling only. So please write the correct spelling. Thank you.